Hey there guys, I hope that you are doing good. This Tuesday I decided that I wanted to jump on the Shannon Greene black and white journal that she has going on over at her YouTube channel. I will link her channel in the description box below. I know that most of you guys know Shannon, but if you don't know Shannon, you should know Shannon. She is not only like this phenomenal creator, but she is one of the nicest people you could ever hope to meet. Shannon is actually responsible for me being on YouTube. So if you like me being on YouTube, you can thank her. If you don't like me being here, then it's all Shannon's fault. She is really exceptional. She's doing a black and white journal. Now, I am doing a black and white spread in my Gluebook journal. And we can kind of see what I haven't worked in this journal in a really long time. So I was really looking forward to kind of cracking it back open and doing some work in it. And then I saw that Shannon was doing an entire black and white journal, and I just thought, oh, man, that is super cool. But anyway, we are not going to do a whole journal, but we're going to do a spread. So what I did was kind of pulled together some stuff. I have already Mod Podged this botanical napkin background on here. The next thing that I want to do with my page is I have torn some paper strips, and I really do like kind of outlining things with paper strips, so we're going to do that. I'm not being really fussy about the size of anything right now, because what I like to do is I really do love to flip a page over and go ahead and fold over my element. You know, whatever I'm working with, I just fold it over to the next page. And then that way, when you flip to that page, you already have like a pre-started background, which is kind of fun, you know, especially if you're having like a, not feeling real creative, but really jonesing to create kind of day. You know what I'm talking about. Then you've already got something started on a page, and that's always a lot of fun. So we're just gonna put these items in here. Like I said, it's just paper strips. Nothing better than paper strips, because they're very flexible. You can do a lot of things with them. They're very colorful. They're very interesting when you tear them, and I really do like using torn paper strips. We're just going to we're just bordering the page, just putting a few little border pieces in here. Just fun. And I have to be speedy with this because it's almost time to call Mom. And I really do hope she had some sunshine today. It's been very cloudy up there since Hurricane Delta kind of dumped rain on South Carolina and North Carolina and us. And, you know, these poor people actually in the path of it. Gee whiz. Like, that's about enough of that. I was going to do something over here, and I might, you know, I might do some outlining over there, but not right now. I pulled out some text because, you know, text is black and white. And I also pulled out some Tim Holtz word sheets because I use these in two ways. We're going to choose words, sentences from the actual sheet, but we're also going to use the ghost of the sheet, which is the portion that's left that doesn't have anything on it. It's very interesting in a textural kind of sense. Okay, let's add our kitty cats. Black and white journal. So I found 2 kitty cat images from my friend Jody. I used to go and watch her kitty cats, but since she does not travel anymore, I do not do that. And I do miss my kitty cats because they are cute. All right, one here and one here. I just pulled together black and white stuff. I kind of really didn't have a plan until I started sort of looking at the things that met the black and white criteria here. And then kind of a plan started sort of happening. That's fun, isn't it? It's nice to not plan. All my plans are unplans. Don't really plan anything. All right, now when I was cutting things out to go on this page, you know, I wanted a spooky theme, so that's why I chose the black and white botanical napkin, because to me that looked like dead flowers, and you know, we all know that song Dead Flowers by the Rolling Stones, and so I thought, well, you know, that will be fun. We'll just go with a spooky theme, and I had some spooky imagery from working on some spooky journals. So I thought that would be super cool. He sits a little too far up on the page. So let's move him down a little bit. If you are looking for something super spooky and awesome and just really neat to watch, check out American Horror Story. I just watched the Coven season. Oh, it's so good. And I'll just tell you now that Stevie Nicks makes an appearance, so that just makes the world a whole lot better. I cut out this hat from a paper pad, and I loved it, you know, little witchy hat. So I thought that it would be fun to use the little witchy hats on the kitty cats. First thing I want to do though, instead of just slapping those down, I want to get a little bit of decoration on it. So I'm going to move this to one side, and we're just going to decorate our witchy hats. This one, because we're doing black and white, I need to change the color here. And I found some of this really neat black and white adhesive ribbon. And I thought, oh, well, that'll be perfect. So we're going to put a piece on this. And luckily, it's like the right size. It's awesome. Might be a wee bit of purple peeking out there, but that's okay. And then the same thing over here. Yes, Shannon is all to blame for me and YouTube. She not only like got me started, she helped me figure things out. She's just a phenomenal person. She's a great teacher. She is a great spirit because she and her sweet Jason have had some adversity over the past few years, but you know, she never loses her cheerful disposition. She's just a pleasure. What I wanted to do, guys, I mean, kind of what I had an idea was sort of adding these small pieces to the hats. So, you know, we're just going to decorate our hats. Do you hear Mia? Somebody's walking their dog. This would be a fun project just as it is, right? You know, just kind of decorate your spooky hats, your witchy hats, your pointy hats. Sometimes witches get a bad rap, and it's kind of sad. They're just earth spirits. So there we go. A moth and some candles. That looks fun. Trying to decide if I want to do any trim right here. This is not wanting to stay down very well. I'm gonna grab some Turbo Tacky. Don't you love this stuff? Oh, it's the best. Okay. There we go. It's going to be better. I think I might do that over here too. Well, this is my journal, so I'm not gluing very neatly. There's something that I don't like the bone. I don't like the bone. And do like the Guy Fawkes mask. Jeez, mask. Did we ever think we would be wearing masks way before Halloween? Okay. I feel like that might need a little something else, but quite frankly, I don't have anything else, so oh well. I'm kind of thinking about maybe some trim. What do y'all think? Let's just see how it looks. Oh, hey, look at that. Oh my goodness. Like the crafting gods be in your favor. May the odds be ever in your favor. Okay. Now, let's see if I have enough to do this one. I do. Now with this one, I cut it out of some black and white text page from a cookbook. And I liked it because the page was black and it had white text on it. All right, let's invite the kitty cats back in and get their cute little hats on them. I forget how I did that. Yeah. There we go. That looks really fun. Fun. Okay. There we go. How fun. Black and white is awesome. Don't have to think about anything matching. Not that I do anyway. I just kind of slap things around, and I'm not too fussed about matching colors and all that. That gives me a headache. Okay. Let's see. You know, do we want to add some little thingies down here? Because I have some stuff. Let's do that. And a little skull here. I am using this tacky glue, y'all, because it was hard to make things stick to my napkin collage. I did use Mod Podge, but I didn't think it would be that hard to make something stick. Oops, okay. There we go. Bum, bum, bum. Now, I wanted to add some words to this. I wanted to do 13 and 31, but I don't have a 1, so I need to figure out how to make one. Let me see if I can grab a 1 down here. Yay, there's one right there. Awesome. So I can just put these things together. You know, 13 is supposed to be such a unlucky number. But really, when you consider numbers, you add them together. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And 4 is a very auspicious number. Okay, this is Kitty Cat 13. This is Kitty Cat 31. Now we need to find some appropriate words for these guys. I think for the side border, or just to add some interest to this, I want to use just the remnants of this. This looks so cool when you put it on a page. So I'm going to start it right here and bring it down. We're just going to peel it off. And put it right there. See, isn't that fun? So, you know, just a great way to use what you have. You know, don't throw stuff away. There's always a little use for it. Mia never barks, and she's beagles bay. They go, ooh. So that's what she's doing. And Chris is writing music in the next room. We got the whole family in this video today. All right. I think I'm going to do something right here on each of them. Hey, those who don't believe in magic will never find it. That is from Willy Wonka. Dream is a wish your heart makes. What seems ordinary is often the extraordinary. There we go. Okay, friends, just a little black and white tribute to an exceptional person, Miss Shannon Greene. Shannon, thank you for your inspiration, your dedication. Thank you for creating content. Thank you for being our guru of glue. Thanks, y'all, for hanging out. Talk to you soon. Bye.